Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
I am Narendra. Thank you very much, sir, for giving me this golden opportunity to speak in front of you. So, first of all, you see this diagram on blackboard, on whiteboard, sorry. I mean to say, can you imagine what is this? What I draw forward thing. Now, first, I want to tell you what is my today's topic. My today's topic for this presentation is nepotism. The nepotism word recently comes in our society very fastly. All of persons hearing many times the word nepotism at present because one case of Sushant Singh Rajput happened in our society, and after that all the people knows the word nepotism. So this word nepotism, first of all, I want to explain what is nepotism. Where someone who is your relative, who is your friend, is favoring you for something, for some post, it is called nepotism. It is a simple meaning of nepotism. After that, the nepotism prefers in only high class society or doesn't prefer in low class society. What is the mentality about the peoples? They think the nepotism only happens in high class society because what the condition or what happened in recently, the Sushant Singh Rajput died, and after that the people says that in the film industry the nepotism is very high. But I want to tell you, in our society everywhere is nepotism. Why I am saying this? Because what happened when we are doing something, or if I want someone, so what we think? We don't think any capable person, about any capable person. We only think about he is my friend, or he know about that thing, and I think he can do it, and I will call him and come, you will do this because you can do this. You don't search more capable person who can do it perfectly. So that's the real condition. What I am talking about, nepotism is not only in this society of high level. The nepotism is present in all societies. If I am talking about, if I am working somewhere, I am working for a high class profile person as a driver, and my son is doing MBA. After that he want a job, so I will go to our manager or our boss, and I say to him, my son is do MBA and he is well capable for this post of your company, please give him. So he is also think about that, and after that he will give the job. That's why I made this diagram. What the diagram shows, that there are three persons who are doing efforts for this chair, for this job. So these all are doing efforts, but here the boss of this company and one employee of this company who is working from last 20 years, he is talking about his son, and after that he says that he is good, okay, he can capable for this job and he is going here. So what the three guys are doing, he is under nepotism. This is called nepotism. If somewhere you are going for an interview for a job, for a government job, or you know someone, after that you will get the job, you are affecting not only your post, you are affecting the peoples who are working under you or the peoples who are doing this. So these are the point of view why the nepotism is bad. Thank you very much for listening.